Hello again, everyone, and welcome back to my 5-part mini-series, Breathing Through the Pandemic. This is segment 4 of relaxation and stress relief techniques for dealing with the challenges of living through the pandemic. My name is Sari Vanderkroff. I am a registered somatic movement therapist and educator, a body worker, a Reiki master, and I've been teaching meditation for over 10 years. Today in segment 4, we are going to work with the spine and the fluid nature of the body to help us find deep relaxation and healing during these stressful times. This is a technique that I learned in my alma mater, East-West Somatics, called the Seahorse. But first, let's go ahead and do our beginning stretches, trying to just relax and release the muscle tension in the shoulders, following along with me, and a little bit of neck stretching. Whatever you feel comfortable with, no straining here, just really wanting to get a sense of ease in the body. We're going to be working with the spine. So we're going to maybe want to do a little bit of opening between the vertebra through the stretch. And I will explain this to you and then direct you through it. The fluid motion of the spine has a very powerful healing effect. We can find deep relaxation when we're allowing it to move as it naturally does. We're going to have a felt sense of what that is like during this exercise. And when we're done, there's going to be an opening of all of the channels in the body and a sense of peace. So this time I'm going to just explain to you how to do it while I sit here. Find yourself a place on the floor that is comfortable to lie down on. Lie down on your back. Your arms can just naturally come out to the side. And bring your knees up and bend them so that they're pointing towards the ceiling and your feet are flat on the floor. This should allow your lower back to open up a bit and feel relaxed. So once you've done that, take a nice deep breath in and let it go. And as you may recall from our other segments, when we inhale, we like to belly breathe, and that is to extend the belly out on the inhale so that we're drawing the oxygen down to the bottom of the lungs. Then let the belly come back in during the exhale. And this time, when we inhale and the belly comes up, we're going to let the lower back slightly come up with it off the floor. And on the exhale, we're going to let it go back down again. So there's the beginning of a wave movement in the lower back. I'm going to give some ease in there by allowing those muscles to move a little bit. So once you've lied down, your knees are bent, your feet are flat on the floor, you're nice and relaxed, you can go ahead, take a deep breath in through the nose. Let it come down, extend the belly, let the navel come towards the ceiling. Let the back come up with it now, it's just the lower back. And then on the exhale, let the back go down and the belly go down. And one more time to get a sense of this fluid movement. As you inhale, feel the spine come up a little bit in the lower back and then back down again. Now when it comes up the next time and you inhale and the navel comes up, you're going to notice that there is a wave action that is completed in the spine. When the lower back comes up, the chin is going to want to roll down towards the chest, completing that action. When the head rolls forward, the chin moves slightly towards the chest. It's a very subtle, gentle movement, but it's reflecting that fluid movement in the spine. And when you exhale and the back and belly come back down, the chin is going to naturally want to roll back. So let's practice that all together. noticing the deep sense of peace that comes along with this natural self-healing process. So breathing in. So breathing in. And out. And in. And out. With your head, you can feel it rolling slightly on the floor as the chin comes up and down. This is the seahorse because of the shape that the spine takes during that movement. I think this goes back to infancy, this kind of natural process. Just do that as many times as you feel comfortable to get a real sense of the rhythm of that. It's sort of a closing and an opening in the movement, folding together and an opening. So it comes up and down and open. So you can pause the video and do this as long as you would like. And when you're done, we can finish up. So if you feel complete now with that, we'll just take it into that quiet center that we talked about in the last segment, the eye of the storm, that being the letter I, which is you, in the quiet stillness with all of whatever's going on in the world around you. This is the place of refuge that you can come to find stillness and peace. And this is another way to do it. So through the wave action of the spine and watching the breath as it comes in and allows that movement to happen through the spine. It's a natural process that is very healing for the body. You can bring yourself back to center. Bring yourself back again to center. You just lie there and take in that quiet stillness in the center of your being again. Just watching your breath, whatever comes naturally to your spine. You can rest. So that was segment 4, the seahorse, and I hope you have found it helpful. And I will see you again for segment 5. Until then, stay tuned, stay safe and healthy, and may you find peace.